Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Autumn. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super cute and affordable jeans. I have one pair that has really cute daisies on it, and the other pair are lightning jeans. So if you want to know how to make these, keep watching. First things first, we'll need to fix the waist on these jeans in order to make them fit. In order to do this, you're going to want to rip a slit into the front of the jeans. Make sure it doesn't go through. Then you're going to want to sew a button right in front of the slit that you just made. Once you have slits and buttons on the beginning of both sides, you're going to want to thread a piece of elastic through the waist of the jeans. When you're done, put holes in an elastic that will cinch to be your waist size, and it should look like this. Now to get started on the customization, you're going to want to go ahead and bleach your jeans. I mixed my bleach with water, and just do whatever design you want. To make sure that the bleach didn't seep through to the other side of the jeans, I put plastic bags inside of them. Now we are going to be painting the lightning on our jeans. In order to do this, we're going to be using two paints. This first paint is fabric paint. This one is acrylic paint, and all you have to do is mix them together half and half. Now that you're done painting, in order to set the paint, you're going to want to go over it with an iron. There are many different ways to set the paint, but this is the one I chose. Make sure you place something down over your pants. Now I'm going to show you how to make these daisy jeans. Before you get started, you need to fix the waist like you did on the first pair. To get the size of the daisy that you want, I put down a quarter and traced around it and put a little circle in the middle, and that's how I planned out where I would sew on the daisies. To embroider these daisies, the first thing you need to do is make a loop with your white thread. Once it gets down to a small loop like this, go through the middle. Go back down behind it to secure the daisy in place. Now go through one more time at the center and go to the back in order to fill in the daisy. A tip for making this embroidery easier is to wear a glove on one of your hands because the needle can get slippery. To make the center of the daisy, you're going to want to take the thread and wrap it around your needle and sew it back down into the pants. This is gonna make a knot. I made about 2 or 3 of these little knots for each center. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye!